Hey guys, I'm holding this open house in my listing at 10131 North Portland. 4 bedroom, 2 bathroom, completely remodeled from top to bottom, new flooring, new painting outside, inside, new kitchen, new countertop, styling steel appliances. Bonus room up here. This is a washer and dryer here. Separate entrances for the lower level. Washer and dryer hookup down here. Kitchenette. New water here. New furnace and AC. New flooring. New painting. Large living room. Another bedroom. Nice decorated bathroom. Detached 2-car garage. Plenty of parking outside. So I'm going to be holding this until 3 o'clock. So please come visit me, 10131 North Lombard Street in Portland, Oregon. Thank you.